The son of international rapper 50 Cent, Marquise Jackson, has come out to once again drag his dad regarding his child support money.
This is where you get it. This is where it goes down a bad path, brother. This is what I'm trying to tell you, bro. Yo, bro, 6,700. If I told you right now, right, you got to start your life over right now with 6,700 a month and rebuild your life.
Yes.
Can you do it?
With 6,700, I can.
By me. You're comparing it to yourself. You're comparing it to yourself. You're comparing it to your life. Don't do that.
6,700.
Don't do that. You're talking about a Forbes lister. Hold on, wait, listen. You're talking about somebody that has problems with everybody. You can't just live in any neighborhood. 81K is not a substantial lot of money.
Hold on.
You're talking about you got beef with everybody in the industry. You can't just live anywhere.
And if he's contributing 6,700, that means your mom's got the other half. It ain't just for him to just take care of you. She got to take care of you too. She got to work too. He giving up 6,700. Where's her 6,700 to go with his? Now y'all got 12, 1,300, 13,000 a month.
Oh my! See, hold on. Yo, choke.
Wrong bell.
Okay, listen. Child support. I believe came around when I was 12 or 13, or maybe 11. I think 10 years of child support. 1.2 over. What was it? It was like $1 million, I think. What he claims is $1 million, right? It's 6,700 a month.
Okay, and I can't buy socks.
Listen to what I'm saying to you.
Right.
6,700 a month, right? 6,700 a month in the state of New York City. You do the math.
Oh, I done the math. I've been in child support, bro. I went to jail for it. So I said, so hold on.
Okay, cool. 6,700 a month, right?
6,700 a month, right? You telling me a woman can't survive off 6,700 a month and not be working?
Hold on, wait. Time out. Hold on, listen. Don't compare.
I'm from New York.
This is
Remember
the
that.
biggest mistake